Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Zulfadil bin Jamali and this is my group member
Muhammad Azizi bin Daud.
So today we are going to present about our lab 2, that is robotic arm. So as you can see here, for our coding in PLC, in our program block, we consist of auto sorting system, counter system, robot movement, and for our HMI we got our main screen, conveyor, robot movement, and student detail. So for our function program in PLC, I will pass to Azizi.
Okay, so in the main block we have robot movement. The first one is robot movement, and then counter system and auto sorting system. So in the auto sorting system, as we can see, this network. This is for tick section in the conveyor, and this is for ticker and tickers. And then this one is for when to distribute the coin and the carom. If the carom is tick, it will go for the reject, and then if ticker, MV1 will open, and then if the tickers, MV2 will open. So this is how it's operate. And then for the robot movement, when the LS1 is pressed, the conveyor A will open, and then PH1 also gripper will open and will stop when the LS3 is pressed. And then for the this is solenoid 2, same goes if the LS3 is pressed, and then solenoid 2 will open and stop when the LS2 is pressed. So we jump to the HMI for the simulation. Okay, so if we can see here, okay, we go for the robot movement first. Okay, when we push, when we press the push button, the push button and solenoid will on, and then when we push once start button, and then when limit switch 1 is detect, the conveyor A will operate, will on. After LS1 is detect, the PH1 sensor will operate. As we can see, LS1 is operate, the conveyor A will stop. Then after PH1 is detect the workpiece, the conveyor A will stop, and then the gripper will on. As we can see in the HMI, the gripper is on, PH1 is on, LS1 is on. And then to confirm the grab, sensor LS3 will operate. As we can see, solenoid 2 will rotate counterclockwise. And then LS2, when the LS2 is detect the arm, the conveyor B, and it will release the coin into the carom into the conveyor B. So the conveyor B will turn on. So that's for the robot arm. So we go for the conveyor. Okay, for the conveyor, when the
okay, alright, so now we are going to explain about the conveyor system. As you can see here, when PH2 is detect the carom will go for the tick when the PH3 detect the carom will go for the ticker. And lastly, for PH4, when the sensor detect the carom, it will go for the tickers. And this cycle, when complete for 19 times, it will shut down. Alright, so that's all from us, and thank you.